Very good morning, grade 1. This is your day 2 lecture of chapter number 11, clothes we wear. Yesterday we talked about the type of clothes, why we need a clothes, why we need to wear clothes, as well as we do one activity in which we are tick the things, by them we make our clothes. Now today we are talking about kind of clothes, different kind of clothes, or you can say different type of clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. See students, we have total 3 or 4 seasons in which we are not going to wear the same clothes every time. We have to change it according to the weather or according to the season. So we are going to learn why we need that. First of all, we talk about summer season. When it is summer season and the weather is a very hot outside, sunlight is very harsh on our body or in temperature. So we need to wear cotton clothes at that time. We need to wear cotton clothes at that time, in which example we are wearing shirts, t-shirts, shorts, skirts, that is made up of cotton clothes. Why we only prescribe cotton clothes in summer? Because the cotton clothes absorb the sweat. In summer season, there are a lot of sweat coming out from our bodies. So the cotton clothes can, absorb all that sweating from our body, and it keeps us cool. That's why we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. I am going to read it for you as well in page number 57 in your book. We wear cotton clothes in summer, as I already explained you. Cotton clothes keeps us cool. What is the main reason to wear cotton clothes? Because in summer season, cotton clothes keep our body cool. It absorbs the excess sweating from our body and it keeps our body cool. We get cotton from cotton plant. From where we get cotton? It comes out from the cotton plant. Next we talk about winter season. Winter season सुनते हमें क्या लग जाती है? ठंडी लग जाती है. It's too cold. So in winter season we are prescribing or we are using woolen clothes because it keeps our body warm. See, here we need to keep our body cool. Because outside weather is too hot, so we need to keep our body cool. But in winter season, totally different. Outside weather is too cold and we have to keep our body warm. So we wear cotton clothes in this time. Woolen clothes we are wearing this time, in which the examples are sweaters, jackets, muffler, woolen caps, gloves or woolen socks. These kind of clothes we are wearing in winter season, that is made up of wool. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Woolen clothes keep us warm. It keeps us warm. We get wool from sheep. It comes from sheep. You can see the hairs on the body of sheep, that is called fleece. We take it from sheep and we make yarn from that and we make our woolen clothes. So we talk about 2 more things. One is rainy season and second one is special clothes. Now we talk about rainy season. In rainy season we are wearing raincoats and gumboots. This time we can see a lot of rain in Jaipur as well as other cities or states in India. There are a lot of rain and we can see a lot of water everywhere. So in this kind of rainy season we need to wear raincoats and gumboots when we have to go outside or your parents go to their work. They need to wear these things on their bodies because they have to cover their body from the rain water. So they keep themselves dry. अपने आप को सूखा रखने के लिए, if you are going to school or your parents going to office, they need to go dry position. उन्हें सूखा जाना होगा, ऐसा तो नहीं गीले होके बारिश में आप ट्रेन में आप चले जाएं. We have to go sober simplicity in the school, or you can say office. So to keep ourselves dry, we need to wear raincoats and gumboots to cover ourselves from the rain. Or we are using umbrellas as well to keep us dry. Last we talk about special clothes. What is the meaning of special clothes? Every clothes are special, but yes, on some special occasions we need to wear some special clothes. Whether we are coming to school, or whether we are going to somewhere party, or you can say we have to go, or we can celebrate our own birthday, or we have to go and join our friend's birthday. We have to look smart. We have to look smart. For that, we are wearing some special clothes. We call them party wear dresses as well. So we wear colorful clothes on birthday and weddings. हम हमारे बर्थडे पे या हम किसी वेडिंग पे जा रहे हैं, so at that time we are wearing such kind of clothes that is very colorful, that is very vibrant in colors. So we look so smart. Everyone can look at me that yes, I look so smart, and everyone can attract on myself. सब मेरी तरफ देखते हैं कि yes, कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं, कितने अच्छे कपड़े हैं इनके. For that we are wearing some special clothes. Here we are talking 4 kind of clothes. One is summer season clothes, second one is winter season clothes, third one is rainy season clothes, and the last one is special clothes, or you can say party wear clothes. By this I wind up today's topic, kind of clothes. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Keep safe yourself. Namaskar.